telling you, these guys are zipping. Dipping. Get these shocks on. It will improve the ride. I've already checked with other people. These shocks are really phenomenal ride. They ride very well. So it's probably going to be in two parts because with doing a cell phone, I hit it there and paused it for a second. Now we're running again, so you know how that works. You get them on. Now we're going to torque them down to the specs. And then from that point forward, there'll be nothing to it.
Done.
Done. Done and done.
Warren. Here you go, Michael. Missy buckets. Come on, put the red bags back on. You want the red?
Yeah. Give it a little color contrast.
That's right. Do you want to add a little preload? Yes, I do. I do.
You want me to get on there before you put those on?
No, we don't. He's going to pop the bag off real quick. We're going to make an adjustment. We're going to adjust the preload.
Good deal.
So like I showed you before, I'm just going to grab the cup and I'm going to turn it by hand. I'm going to put one full turn into it. I'm going to have you ride it around real quick. I mean, the neighborhood around here, there's plenty of bumps and wibwobs and so again, just grab it by hand, turn it one turn. That's it.
Simple.
I stiffened it up one turn. We're going to put the bags back on. You're good to go.
Simple. Everything hooked back up. I have to say one thing, guys, about those lights. Those lights in that saddlebag, you'll never go wrong with those. They light up the world behind you.
You can't have enough light
No,
in Florida.
you can't. I mean, people just don't pay attention anymore. I mean,
Right.
They're all on their cell phones, and you know, like I said, guys, I'm down here at Yovington Shocks, and it took them
We have to correct that. Suspension technology.
Suspension Technologies. We're at Suspension Technologies. That's their official moniker. So what we're doing took less than 7 minutes. They took the old shocks off, put the new shocks on. So, nothing to it. Where'd the old shocks go?
Right now they're on that table. They're going to go in a box. They're going to go home with you. If you
Yeah, I didn't even see them. I was like, oh my God, that was quick.
We're going to put them in a box and send them with you. If you don't want them, turn around, take a picture of that big green thing out there. Oh wait, no. Mr. EPA, we're going to drain the oil out of them. We're going to disassemble them and throw them away piece by piece.
I'm taking them home, guys. You don't have to worry about it.
Thank you, Jesus.
I'll put them up in the garage.
Got it, Kev? There we go.
I mean, suit everybody. Well, guys, this is Frosty 8415. That took a whole maybe 10 minutes to get all this done. I'm going to go in and do the bloodletting part. And thanks for watching. If you like these videos, please give me a thumbs up, subscribe. Frosty out.